Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you currently have a VPN running in the background, well, go ahead and close it or disable it for now. Alright, if you want to use Facebook dating, make sure that VPNs are turned off. And then once that's done, go ahead and go to your device's settings right here. Just find date and time, or just date. Find date and time, tap on it again, and make sure that both automatic date and time and automatic time zone are both enabled. All right. Now, once that's done, go ahead and close everything right here. Find your Play Store or App Store. Now go ahead and find Facebook. If there's an update button, go ahead and update it. And once done, open it up. Now go ahead and go to Facebook Dating. All right. And when we go ahead and open it up, you'll be able to see the settings section. All right. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to settings and tap on dating preferences and change the dating location. All right. So if that still won't work, make sure that the application got permissions. So go ahead and tap and hold the application itself. If you have Android, tap on the information icon. Wait for it to load, and under permissions, tap on it. Make sure that location is enabled. So tap on it and allow only while using the app, or ask every time if you want to. But there you have it. That is how you fix Facebook dating location mismatch. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.